Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to mute someone in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device and logged into my account. In case you have not, do install it and log into your account right now. Now let's just say I want to mute this person right here, that's Greg. Simply click and hold, and then something like this will open up. Well, on the top there are many options like pin, delete, and of course this mute notifications. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options to mute notifications, like for 8 hours, a week, or always. Simply select the one which best suits you, and once everything's okay, simply click on OK. In case you want to unmute, simply follow the same steps. Click and hold on the person that you want to unmute, and right here on the navbar, in between this trash and archive, you'll find this bell-like icon. Simply click on it. And there you go, your chat is now unmuted. And do note that you can also mute notifications like this. Just go into the chat that you want to mute, and right here in the top right here are these three buttons. Something like this will pop up, and right here is mute notifications. The process is same. Well guys, that's it. That's how you mute and unmute someone in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.